Hey, it's Rico, and today I have a quick video on how to get set up using binaural beats for free. If you haven't already, after this video, go and subscribe to my new OnlyFans page. That's onlyfans.com/Rico Heals. Now on to getting set up with your own binaural beats for free. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the following two apps from the App Store. The first is called Binaural Beats, and the second is My Noise. If you don't have an Apple device or can't find these apps on your Droid or other device, try and find the equivalent of the two. Next, screenshot or copy the following photo. These Brainwave State numbers are what will be used to put into the brief frequency field of the Binaural Beats app. Now screenshot or copy this photo as well. These numbers will be used to put into the tone frequency field of the Binaural Beat app. Next is the My Noise Generator app. You can use this app in conjunction with the Binaural Beats app to have something else playing if the tones alone are too much. Remember, to get the best benefits, it's the frequency tones that are what's doing the work. Now that's it. You have the info on how to start using binaural beats on your own to help make changes in your life. It is highly recommended you listen to these to start 3 times a day for about 20 minutes and for at least 30 days to get the biggest benefits. But of course, whatever time you spend will be beneficial. Lastly, again, don't forget to sign up for my OnlyFans if you haven't and get more binaural beat codes, learn more secrets about meditation, manifestation, and healing. Thanks, and have a great day.